Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually buy, review and do tutorials of all affordable, inexpensive makeup from AliExpress, drugstore, Walmart, dollar store, you name it. I'll test on my face, I'll pass the savings to you guys. So this is one of my monthly Boxycharm reviews. I'm going to be doing a review of this August Boxycharm box. And we're gonna go item by item. I'm gonna shortly show you how this performs and what I think about all of these items, and we're gonna see what you got, what I got. As we know, all these boxes vary. So if you guys are interested and curious, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell below so YouTube notifies you every time I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time. And I also go live every Sunday at noon Pacific time or 8 PM in UK. So like, comment, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all the links in the description box. So let's get right into this. So it's time for Russian word of the day. So before we get into the video, so I want to dedicate this to my friends and all my real-time friends and online friends. I gained so many wonderful friends thanks to Missa, and you Missa, I'm very proud to call you my friend as well, and all the wonderful sexy sausages. So the word would be friendship. So I'm gonna put the word in Russian up here and a phonetic pronunciation below, so you can look and maybe learn a little Cyrillic as well, which is like unlikely, but anyway. So дружба, дружба. There is a zh, but it's kind of soft, you know, it sounds soft, дружба. So there you have it. Russian word for friendship is дружба. So I hope you enjoy and use it in the comments below if you like. So let's get into the review of this Boxycharm. So this box came actually after the July box came real late in August, and this box came literally like a week later. So actually I think they're trying to catch up now because with coronavirus it's been real slow. So this is my box. It's all items. I already used it in my face clearly. So I'm gonna show you in either split screen or somewhere in the frame or out here on the screen how actually they apply and what I think about them. So let's go item by item. The first item, I'm not gonna show how it applies because this is a sleep serum. Well, first of all, the value of this box is $236.95. So this is one of the higher values. You know, everything, I mean, one of the items is so expensive that it actually makes up for it. So first thing is Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, and this is by Mine Tan Body Skin. So I guess they have tanning lotions too, you would imagine. So it looks like this. It's just white serum. Yeah, it looks like this. Just clear. It's very hydrating. It's very glowy. It smells very nice actually. It does have scent. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but it's kind of sweet and flowery, I would say, like candy-like. I really enjoy this. So if you guys don't like scents, you might not like this, but it's not very strong scent and it goes away. The scent isn't bad. So this is triple action hyaluronic acid for all skin types. So this serum is $44.95. Yeah, it's pretty expensive. It says greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time release multi-depth hydration to fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. So literally it does look glowing. I would use moisturizer on top of it because as all the serums, I find it like I need something extra. My skin is dry, so I put this on first and then I moisturize over. In the directions, I apply to this face serum on clean skin before moisturizer. So yeah, I'm right. Use several drops smoothly and gently all over face and throat. Yeah, Yeah, great stuff. So I'm definitely going to be using this. So the next item that I applied in that order, I went with the eyeshadow palette, came with this box. So this is my second Violet Voss palette, the Essentials 2. The Essentials one was so not interesting. I think I decluttered it. I'm not even sure where it is anymore. I might find it when I do my makeup declutter, but I didn't even do the video on it. I wasn't interested. So this one, volume 2, it looks like this. And I'm going to show you quickly how it performs. I'm just gonna go show you a couple of swatches because, I mean, that's blues. They don't swatch the best, but I tried a little bit of blue separate on a separate occasion. It looks nice. It applies well. It's pigmented, but I mean, to me, this is too neutral, and that's too not that interesting. Yeah, a couple of other shades here. I mean, it performs. It's alright. So this palette is, let me see, this is $36 actually. It says this 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you'll need to create your go-to soft glam, which is true, it's like very soft, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. So as you can see, when I applied it, and the video is going to be the split screen or somewhere here, I mean, it performs really well. It blends easily. I mean, the neutrals are nice, but it's nothing special. Like the first one that I didn't even review, it was just nothing really special about it, except for this kind of duochrome shade. I don't know if you can see, but it has like a subtle glow of gold and pink. This is real nice. I have it in the middle of my lid, and the bluish, like a teal color is nice. This is just shiny, kind of satin shimmers. They're very pigmented, but I don't know. To me, it's just like a meh eyeshadow palette. It's $36. Like, I wouldn't buy it if it wasn't a Boxycharm. So to me, it's just like, eh. I find that the palettes that I've received from Boxycharm, I don't think I liked actually any of the palettes that much. I mean, they're alright, but nothing like I would be throwing myself over. Like when I would see this online and I wouldn't buy this. So sorry for being shady, Violet Voss, but it's not that interesting. Alright, so the next thing I applied was the eyeliner, and this is actually a big win. You're gonna see how it applies very smoothly, very pigmented, very black. Perfect. The tip is nice, it's a little thick, but I mean, the application was so easy, nice and smooth. I have no complaints about this. So this is a Rockin' Cosmetics Big Fat Liner. Yeah, so it looks like this, Rockin' Cosmetics, it says Big Fat Liner here. And always start the day with your Big Fat Liner, and you can be as bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with different shapes. So the price is $25. $25 for eyeliner is a little pricey. I usually go for like a Revolution. I have the Makeup Revolution XX Revolution liner, which I think was 10, and that was excellent. So I mean, would I buy this myself? Probably not, because I just have a lot of stuff that's inexpensive and works just as well, but I'm happy I got it. The quality is definitely great, so I'm definitely gonna use this. So the next thing I tried, let me see, was the moisturizer. So this is the most expensive item, and this is very interesting because I have QMS moisturizer, I think it's eye cream, and it was as expensive as this one is. So this is QMS Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, helps to blur imperfections, to reveal visibly glowing even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula make this ideal day cream. So it's $105. I mean, it's just sickening how expensive it is. I would never buy day cream. I can go to Walmart and get something from Oil of Olay or L'Oreal with all skin active ingredients. It will work just as good, if not better, but I mean, that's supposed to be bougie, so I'll use it. I'm happy I got it, because I would never buy this myself. So it says, what's the directions? I mean, not much of a directions. I guess you just slather on your face, pretty much, which I did, as you can see. I was wondering if it's gonna kind of double up as a BB cream, and I don't think so. Because it has very, very, very light tint. It's a tinted moisturizer. There's nothing, no coverage in it whatsoever. So I went over with foundation. But the scent is the only thing that really, really puts me off. I mean, Missa, if you watch this, you mentioned something you got as a manly scent, like I was a body wash, I think. So this is like similar. Ugh. So that's what it looks like. It does look like foundation, but when you rub it in, it has a slight tint. It kind of makes my hand look a little more tan. That's all. And the scent is definitely not very pleasant. I like scents, but if it's a strong kind of unpleasant scent, I'm like a little put off. But it does disappear immediately, so you can't even smell it in a second. So I'm gonna use this definitely. And the next item and the last item, as you can see in the application. So this was the Lip Perfector. So the brand is Clarins Paris. Yeah, I know Clarins brand. I don't own any items from Clarins. So this Velvet Lip Perfector is 26 bucks. Yeah, 26 bucks is kind of a lot for kind of an uninteresting item. To me, it's just not very interesting. So it says, I'm like pooping all over it when it says it's Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors, best-selling, and I'm like, not interested. I'm like that cat. They're gonna look at food, sniff the food, I'm gonna look at it and go, walk away. I'm not interested. I'm that cat, exactly. So this is best-selling natural lip perfectors that go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. Wow, to be honest, it does do everything that it says it's gonna do. The lips look very blurred. As you can imagine, some of the liquid lipsticks, when apply on the lips, you'll see all the, you know, lines on the lips. So this kind of blurs the lines, but it just wasn't that interesting in texture. I mean, I already opened it clearly, as you can see the application. So I'm just gonna show you on my hand a little bit. Yeah, it's very creamy. The thing is, like, I'm afraid it's already kind of melting. Well, I put a little gloss over it because I didn't like the color with eyeshadow, so I put Profusion lip gloss with a little bit of a cooler tone, you know, to kind of match the eyeshadow. But I mean, I could try to wear it, but I think it's not the one that's gonna be long lasting. It's probably gonna slip and slide. So you see, yeah, it does have a tint if you just leave it alone, but it's not your matte lipstick that's gonna like last forever. This is gonna be one of those things gonna be all over the place if you just try to eat with that. So yeah, it's already kind of moving. So I'm not into that. Yeah. So if you guys like something that's you know, eliminates lines and you don't mind something that really moisturizing and it's gonna kind of go all over the place, then it would be for you. But for me, it's like meh. So yeah, this is my box. So overall, as much as I pooped over some items, I do like it. So I am going to use the moisturizer. I like this brand. It's bougie. You know, the smell is a little off, but I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use the eyeliner. Eyeliner is excellent. The skincare, Boxycharm skincare is hands down always the best. So Slip Serum is amazing. Hyaluronic acid, very glowy. Missy, you might like this one too, because you like glowy and hoey stuff. So this is really nice. And the palette, eyeshadow palette I can live without. So it's nothing special, really. But overall, I'm happy because the value of the whole thing is $236, and this item alone is $105. So really happy about the QMS stuff. So that's it. That's my box. If you guys subscribe to Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box. If you like it, let me know how you feel about this stinky lotion. I mean, to me, to my taste, it was very stinky. So that's it. No tea, no shade. That's what I liked. So let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you think about this look. I'm gonna zoom you in. Because I'm not sure if I zoomed you in earlier. So that's a full eye look with eyeliner and eyeshadow. Yeah, it's a pretty palette, but to me, it's just like I wouldn't buy it for that amount of money and that few shades. That's not that exciting. So that's it. That's the end of the video. So leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time. Don't forget to ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you for every video upload. I also go live on Sundays at noon Pacific time, which is 8 PM in UK, where I usually do challenges, makeup looks that my friends challenge me with, or something new exciting. We just chat, we have fun, and I beat my face and I talk to you guys. So come join me for Sunday fun. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, it'll help me, and I'll see you in my next video. And thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.